Hey, it's Andrew from Zappos, and this is the Lashed Diggers Snowboard Boot from 32. This lightweight and comfortable snowboard boot from 32 is perfect for the park because it provides the right amount of flexibility. It features a durable synthetic upper that has the Storm Shield all-weather seal to keep your feet dry and protected, a traditional lace-up design that goes all the way up to these quick hook loops for a secure fit. You've also got a large pull tab located at the heel. There's a 3D molded tongue for added flexibility, and the Team Fit linear system, which features the dual density intuition foam, which is moldable, to provide a custom and secure fit right where you need it while you ride, along with a heel lock system. There's a cushioned footbed with additional arch support down low. The inner boot features a large hook and loop strap and a bungee lacing system to provide a secure fit around the key areas. This sits on top of the Cushy Energy Foam to help absorb shock, and of course, the Michelin Fiberlight outsole to keep you stable. Make sure you have all the comfort and support you need to ride comfortably on your next session. Grab them today. It's the Lashed Diggers Snowboard Boot from 32.